Today we will deal with ratios and proportion. Ratio and proportion is nothing but comparing the two values. For example, if A has scored 70 marks, B has scored 50 marks. The ratio is 70 is to 50. A is to B is 70 is to 50 or 7 is to 5. It can be comparing the marks, comparing the height, comparing the values, comparing the income, comparing the salary, comparing the expenses. It could be anything, but comparison between minimum two things. It could be more also. We will see some of the problems and try to understand how it is done. A man takes twice as long to row the distance against the stream as to row the same distance in favor of the stream. The ratio of the speed of the boat and the stream. Let us say person is going from A to B. Now stream is like this, is favorable. So while going he takes t minutes. While returning from B to A, the stream is adverse. So he takes 2t minutes. Distance is same. Let us say the speed of the boat is v1 and that of stream is v2. While going it is v1 plus v2 because it is the both are in the same direction. While returning it is v1 minus v2. Now the distance covered is t into v1 plus v2 while going because he has covered in t minutes. While coming back the same distance, he has taken 2t minutes, but the speed is v1 minus v2. Now this is same distance, so you can equate. T into v1 minus v2 is equal to v1 plus v2. 2t into v1 minus v2. Now t is common, eliminate. So v1 plus v2 is equal to 2 v1 minus v2. Or v1 is equal to 3 v2. v1 by v2 is 3 by 1. Or the speed is, the ratio is 3 is to 1. If the boat speed is 3, the speed of the stream is 1. If the boat speed is 6, stream is 2. This once again, while going, the stream is favorable because it is in the same direction. So if the speed of the boat is v1 and that of the stream is v2, the speed is while going v1 plus v2. So the time taken is t minutes. While returning, boat is in this direction, speed, whereas the stream is in the opposite direction. The net speed will be v1 minus v2. So time taken is 2t, but the distance is same. So t v1 plus v2 is equal to 2 v1 minus v2 because t is common, we can cancel. So v1 is equal to 3 v2 or v1 by v2 is 3 by 1, 3 is 2. Let us see one more problem. A and B together has 1210 rupees. 4 by 15 of A is equal to 2 by 5 of B. So what is B's share? What is the B's amount is? So A by B is 2 by 5 divided by 14 by 4 by 15 or multiply by 15 by 4. That is 3 by 2. So A is to B is 3 is to 2. This 3 is to 2 is the ratio. So 5 by this share is 5 by 2 by 5 into 1 to 1. Once again, the total amount is 1210. It is given 4 by 15 of A is equal to 2 by 5 of B. So A by B is 2 by 5 by 4 by 15, but we will multiply 15 by 4. So it is 3 by 2. So it is in the ratio of 3 is to 2. So the B share is 2 by 5 into 1210. It is 484. Seeds of mathematics, physics and biology. Mathematics, physics and biology are in the ratio of 5, 7, 8. There is a proposal to increase by 40% mathematics, physics 50% and biology 70%. What is the new ratio? Now you can do simply by adding 40% of 5 is 2. So the new one is 7. 50% of 7 is 3.5. So new one is 10.5. 75% 8 is 6. Okay. Now there is a decimal, so multiply by 2. 14, 21, 28. 7 is common. Once again, physics, mathematics, physics, biology, seeds are in the ratio of 5, 7, 8. There is a proposal to increase 40%. 40% of 5 is 2, so new value is 7. Physics will be increased by 50%. 50% of 7 is 3.5. Add that, 10.5 is the new value. Biology is 8, 75% increase, 6, 14. Multiply by 2 because it is a decimal. 14, 21, 28. Now 7 is common, 2 is to 3 is to 4. Salaries of Ravi and Sumi are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. If each is increased by 4,000, the reverse ratio is 40 by 57. What is the Sumi's increased salary? Now let us say that is Ravi's salary is 2x. Then Sumi's salary is 3x. So what they have said is there is an increase of 4,000 for both of them. So 2x plus 4,000 divided by 3x plus 4,000 is equal to given to be 40 by 57. This is the new ratio. When there is an increase of 4,000 each, the new ratio is 40 by 57. So 2x plus 4,000 divided by 3x plus 4,000 is 40 by 57. Now cross multiply 114x plus 57 into 4,000. I am not simplifying it. Let it be like that. I will show you where it is. 40 into 3 is 120x. Plus 40 into 4,000. Now 120x minus 114x is 6x. 4,000 into 57 minus 40. See, it's easy to now multiply. That's why I did not simplify. 4000 is common, 57 minus 40. That is 70. So 6x is 68,000 or 3x is 34. 3x is 34. The revised salary, increased salaries, you add another 4,000. 38. Once again, Ravi and Sumit's salary are in the ratio 2:3. So this is 2x, that is 3x. If both of them are increased, salary is increased by 4,000, the new ratio is 40 by 57. So 2x plus 4,000 divided by 3x plus 4,000 is 40 by 57. So simplifying, 3x is 34,000. The earlier salary is 34,000. The increased salary is you add another 4,000. So it becomes 38. Let us do one more something. ABC are into partnership in the ratio 7 by 2 is to 4 by 3 is to 6 by 5. After 4 months, A increases his share by 50%. A increases after 4 months 50%. So these people all the 12 months same, whereas here for 4 months is 7 by 2, but 8 months it will be 50% increase of this. First let us take a LCM and simplify it. 30, 7 by 2 into 30 is to 4 by 3 into 30, 6 by 5 into 30. That is 105, 40, 46. Now, investment in the entire month, it will be like this. 105 by into 4 plus 105, 8 into 105 plus 105 by 2, because 50% increase is to 12 into 40 is to 12 into 36. Four 20 plus 840. So this multiply 420 is to 12 into 40. I am not simplifying this. One 680. Now 12 is common here. So 140 is to 40 is to 36. Again 4 is common. 35. 35 is to 10 is to 9. So it is total is 55. 35 plus 10, 45 plus 9, 54. 54. The share of D is 10. The profit is 21,600. 9 6 54. It is 4,000. Once again, their ratio is 7 by 2 is to 4 by 3 is to 6 by 5. B and C no change for the entire 12 months same investment, whereas A increases after 4 months 50%. So First you simplify it using LCM. LCM is 30. So the ratio is 105 is to 40 is to 36. 40 and 36 all the 12 months it is the same. So it will continue. Whereas 105 is for 4 months it is 105. For the next month it is 105 plus 105 by 2 because 50% he increases. So that gives you 1680 is to 12 into 40 is to 12 into 36. Divide by 12, 140 is to 40 is to 36, or 35 is to 10 is to 9. So it is 54. This share is 10 by 54 of 21,600 is 4,000. Three partners share the profit in the ratio 5 is to 7 is to 8. They are partnered for 14 months. A has 14 months, B has 8 months, C has 7 months. What is their investment ratio? Now, while finding out the profit, what we do? Investment into number of months. So, to get investment from profit ratio divided by number of months, use the investment ratio. So, this would be 5 by 14, 7 by 8, 8 by 7. That is the ratio. Write it 5 by 14 is to 7 by 8 is to 8 by 7. Now LCM is 56. 5, 14, 56 is to 7 by 8 into 56. That is 14 4 the 56, 20. 8 7 the 7 7 the 49. 7 8 the 8 8 the 60. So this is the ratio of the investment. I'll repeat. The profit ratio is 5 is to 7. 5 is to 7 is to 8. He has invested for 14 months. B is 8 months. C 7 months. So by dividing, you get the investment ratio. 5 by 14 is to 7 by 8 is to 8 by 7. Now you find out the LCM. 56 multiply. It gives you 20 is to 49 is to 60. One more problem. The sum of money should be distributed amongst A, B, C, D in the ratio I is to 2 is to 4 is to 3. If C gets 1000 more than D, C gets 1000 more than D. What is B's share? Now let us say 5x, 2x, 4x, 3x. This is the amount they are getting. Now it is given as 4x minus 3x as 1000. So x is 1000. B gets 2x, 2000. X is 1000. B's value is 2x, 2000 equals. Once again, some money has to be distributed amongst A, B, C, D. The ratio 5 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 3. And if C gets 1000 more than D, what is B share? Let us say the amount that is to be received is 5x, then 2x, 4x, 3x. 4x minus 3x is given as 1000. That means x is 1000, 2x is 2000. So it is simple. Always equate it with if one is 5x and another is 2x. like this. And it is easy. It is comparison. Divide one by the other, you get the value.